is for alligator snapping with a grin. B is for bear with its furry fluffy skin. C is for cat purring softly on your lap. D is for dog with a wagging tail tap. E is for elephant with a trunk so long. F is for frog, croaking a song. G is for giraffe, reaching for the sky. H is for hippo, splashing water high. I is for iguana, sunning in the heat. J is for jaguar, fast on its feet. K is for kangaroo, hopping all around. L is for lion with a mighty roar sound. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for narwhal, swimming in the seas. O is for owl, hooting in the night. P is for penguin, waddling in delight. Q is for quail, scurrying on the ground. R is for rabbit, hopping all around. S is for snake, slithering with ease. T is for tiger, prowling through the trees. U is for urchin, spiky in the sea. V is for vulture, soaring high and free. W is for whale, giant of the ocean. X is for X-ray fish, see-through motion. Y is for yak, grazing on the plain. Z is for zebra with stripes so plain.